The 2013 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. With an automatic transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Jeep features dual front airbags and tilt wheel. Safety features include fog lights, traction control, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, keyless entry, and power door locks. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.